Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Reverend Father Joseph Lagumbay from the Catholic Universalist Church and welcome to the Corporate Mystic. Now today, pag-uusapan natin how to pray or how to chant mantras using a Japa mala bead. But before that, intro. Japa mala beads, or simply mala beads, are beads that are used by monks or yogis in order to chant mantras to their deity, or perhaps to chant mantras for affirmation. So, a Japa mala bead usually is composed of 108 beads plus one bindu or guru bead. So basically, this is the mala bead, and it has one bindu or the guru bead. Now, for mystical or esoteric Christian traditions, we also have our version of esoteric beads, but instead of a guru bead, we call this cross here the Christ bead, and usually it comes with a tassel. All right, now how to use this? So basically, the mala beads is considered to be holy by yogis and monks. Before, only yogis and monks are using mala beads, but today, many people are fascinated with using mala beads because of its spiritual benefits. Then a lot of people now are using mala beads for chanting mantras or affirmations. So to start with, you need to get your prayer beads or your mala beads, and then first you need to do some opening or some, let's say, ritualistic preliminaries. Basically, you need to be silent, and most of the time yogis or monks hold their malas and then they put their malas on their forehead, especially the bindu. It should touch their forehead as if you're activating your third eye chakra. And then others do kiss it. Others simply visualize a white light on their mala. Whatever that feels comfortable for you, whatever that feels okay for you, what's important is that you need to connect with your beads. And then you need to sit up straight. If not, if you're more comfortable doing the lotus position, maybe half lotus or full lotus, you can do that. And then close your eyes. Just make sure that your spine is straight. And then you need to breathe in and breathe out on your nostrils, maybe for a minute or two, until you are in that state of calmness and perhaps oneness with everything and everyone. You need to be aligned physically, mentally, and emotionally. And then you need to grab your mala beads. So when holding it, you need to hold it with your finger in the middle and your thumb, because this point finger here, this represents your ego or the false self. And here, this finger, this represents your higher self. So you need to hold the mala in your finger that represents the higher self. So you start chanting with the guru bead. So you need to choose your mantra. So for now, I'm using the mantra Aum because it is a very generic mantra, and it is the mantra that represents our earthly existence, and this mantra also activates our heart chakra. So I will chant Aum. So I will chant Aum 108 times, coming from here. Aum. And then the next bead. Aum. Aum. So other people vocalize it while other people just chant in their minds, and that's fine. All right. And by the way, the hands should not really be like this. I'm just doing this so that you can see it on the camera, but you can actually just put your hand on your lap. Okay, and then chant while pulling the beads one by one until you reach back the guru bead. Now, if you reach the guru bead, you should not cross the guru bead if you wish to chant again. So what you need to do, you need to turn the beads and then go back to chanting. Again, if you reach the guru bead or the bindu, don't cross the bindu but rotate it and then chant again. Why are we doing that? It's because rotating the beads, not crossing the bindu, represents that you are not wanting to be reincarnated again, but you want to be enlightened, you want to be ascended in this lifetime, right here, right now. So that is the representation. Okay, so after that, after you have chanted, you just stay calm and then breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and then you slowly open your eyes. And then you can wear your prayer bead once again. You may kiss it, place it on your forehead, and then wear it again. Alright guys, so yeah, I hope you've learned something new today, especially when it comes to chanting mantras on your prayer beads. And yeah, if you're looking for a really good type of prayer beads, I'm actually selling Rudraksha beads. Alright, so here is my business page on Facebook, and I'll be putting a link down below as well. And if you want to know more what is a Rudraksha or what are the benefits of Rudraksha beads, then you may click it somewhere here above, or you can also click the link of the video below on the description. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something new today, and if this is your first time watching my videos, please click like and click subscribe, and also ring the notification bell so that next time if I upload videos like this, you will be one of the few people who will be able to watch it. Okay, thank you so much guys for your time, and namaste.